Unveiling the Mystery, Understanding, Revisit. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to delve into. We're going to explore the meaning and usage of the word revisit. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone keen on enhancing your English language skills, this video is crafted just for you. So, let's get started and unravel the nuances of this versatile phrase. Revisit is a verb that is comprised of two parts, re and visit. The prefix re implies doing something again or one more time, while visit means to go to see and spend time with someone or at a place for a specific reason. When combined, revisit means to visit again or return to a particular place, topic, or activity. 2.1 Personal context. In a personal context, you might revisit a place you've been to before. For example, I decided to revisit my hometown after 10 years. We should revisit that amazing restaurant we went to last month. 2.2 Professional context. In a professional setting, revisit can mean going back to a topic or idea to reevaluate or consider it again. For example, let's revisit the proposal and see if we can make any improvements. We need to revisit our strategy to ensure we are on the right track. 2.3 Academic context. In academics, revisit could mean reviewing or studying material again. For instance, before the exam, make sure to revisit all the important topics. The teacher decided to revisit last week's lesson as the students seemed confused. Sometimes, people might use revisit incorrectly. Here are a few common mistakes and how to avoid them. Incorrect. Let's revisit again the proposal. Correct. Let's revisit the proposal. Incorrect. I can't wait to revisit back to my hometown. Correct. I can't wait to revisit my hometown. And that brings us to the end of our journey exploring the word revisit. We hope this video has clarified its meaning and how it can be used in various contexts. Remember, the key is to understand that revisit already implies going back or returning to something. So there's no need to add additional words like again or back. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.